He was spitting.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are taking care of these beautiful steps, figure of speech. This is disgusting. We want to get this done. So we want to take care of the steps today. We want to take care of the door, and we want to take care of this beautiful light that you don't see. That's gonna be beautiful when I install it. So let's get moving.
All right, everybody. This project is not gonna be easy. These steps were made in 1927. I mean, they look 1927. I mean, how am I gonna make over these steps? Nothing's even, and every step is a different size. This is our front entrance, so we really want it to look really, really nice when people walk in. So let's get started with the project.
All right guys, as you see, the plan of attack we're gonna do is take care of this slope that we have here. At one point in time when they built this house, this was an exterior porch, and the people before us made it an interior porch, and we're left with this slope, this ski jump, okay? So we gotta take care of this. We want this straightened out. So I'm gonna open all this up, and because this is where my step is going to extend from, and we can't extend from, look at, on the porch like this, sideways. It ain't happening. So I'm gonna cut this out, see what we can brace onto. Get a better tool. I'm gonna get you. So guess what? More termite damage. The termites don't live here anymore, but we gotta replace it. So I got a new 4x6, and we have some 2x4s on the sides that we're gonna be replacing on the back side. The only way to access this is take a look, come on. Way through the back, if you can see, I have to do some digging and get way past the other side.
Can they see that?
I don't know if they can see, you get the camera right there. Look at that.
There you go.
I don't know if you can see
there's
it.
so much webs there. Okay, there.
Yeah,
You got it.
I gotta dig to get into this place because there is no other access. That's what my beautiful day is gonna be.
Wait, and things might be switched up because of this situation that's going on.
Yeah.
We are debating, and by we I mean me, to keep these concrete steps and do what we first planned, or get rid of the concrete steps and just put new steps and just call it a day, because this is a lot of work.
Yeah.
And I think, babe, I know the concrete steps might be a lot of work to take out, but I think to build it up, it's gonna be easier.
Working with new is always the easiest way to do it.
Yeah.
Instead of building on something that's just not. The measurements are really off. This is lower than this side. Each step is different, so we might just bust it all up and start fresh and start new.
And this will end up taking a lot longer than you anticipated.
Yes. So might be a part 2 in this.
We'll see. So, honey, what are you doing?
God sent the right man for you.
Greg is talking too much.
Okay, yeah. So I am digging into this little cave inside here.
To make a crawl space.
To make a crawl space, I'm gonna dig this out and establish this anyway, but this is the only way to access the other side, so.
Wasn't there supposed to be a crawl space in here?
There was supposed to be, but then when they built this, they didn't plan for that. They wouldn't have that in mind. Which time goes? Record time. No resting.
He's a loser.
I'm a combat warrior.
He's showing off because my mom's here.
Mom, this is what
What I can do.
You got rocks.
Are you surprised?
Hey, everybody. I'm too big.
He didn't make it big enough.
Okay, I guess that's an update. We did some cutting here. This beam here, we're gonna cut out, like I said before here. It doesn't go all the way to the very end, but we're gonna end up bracing this side, this beam right here. You wanna crib this and get this all supported and take out this beam. So that's what we're doing right here. We made a cut on this side. This beam goes all the way in. So instead of jacking it all the way up, we're just gonna do a T and brace it. So that's the plan. All right, guys, so now that we got all the rock taken out, you see the new beam that has been installed here. That's all done. It needs to be braced up a little bit, but we're all set. We decided to, unfortunately, demo these steps because we have like at least a 16-inch high step off of this point where the door is gonna be at. So we'd have to fix each and every other step after that. So we didn't want to go that route. So it'd be easier just to demo the steps and have a wood decking installed. So that's what we're gonna go with. Let's get to work.
Jamie, go ahead, baby. Yeah, he did it. Good job, David. Javen, how does it feel that you did your... All right, go ahead.
Welcome to Javen's vlog. Today, I used a jacket for the first time ever. And it was spot on. Very heavy and cool.
Would you do it again?
Yes. If I was stronger, that thing is heavy. Very heavy.
All right, get back to work. Come on.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. We had a lot of fun doing demo. We're gonna be building the deck next week, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.